An exciting few days at our cabin. We finally have electricity inside and running water.
That means a toilet.
Welcome to Camp Chevin. So as we talked about in our crawl space last time, the plumber came by and hooked up our toilet and our vanity last week, and the electrician came out and connected the well pump to the power. So suddenly we had power. And then what happened?
And then we had a small leak. We'll show you a video.
So the well company had to come out and fix that. Then the plumber came out and hooked up our whole system. So we had hot water, cold water, and most importantly,
A toilet.
Yeah. So we found out that wasn't unexpected, but our water has a ton of iron in it. So the toilet is very stained already.
Yep. It's pretty brown.
But it's magical. It's fantastic.
Truly the one thing we really wanted.
Yeah, especially as it gets colder. Not so much fun when you have to go.
Yep. I spent some time this week working on setting the cabinets, getting them all leveled so that we're ready for countertops. So we'll be working on that in the next few weeks. We installed the bathroom fan. That's really important. We'll show you that. Now we just need to wait for a few out of stock pieces, but we're really loving this color. Let us know what you think.
All right, so now that we have a toilet, we definitely want to make sure that our bathroom fan is functional. So right now we need to vent it to the outside, and it's not really convenient. We have a loft above to vent upwards and out through the roof. So that means we're going to be going out through this wall. To secure all of these logs together, there are screws that are somewhere in there, hardened log screws. And so we want to make sure that we don't hit one of those with the hole saw, because that would be very tragic. So we've got our trusty Jack's WQ brand stud finder, and it also finds metal too, in theory. So let's calibrate it. All right. Seems right. This is where we'll be drilling. So it seems like there's just metal here connecting these beams, which would make sense, some screws in there, and not really anything up here. So that's great. We had family here this weekend, this long weekend, and so it was great having everyone sitting around in the living room around our fire. Very cozy. Everybody seemed to like it, and especially, again, I know we keep on talking about having a toilet, but that's very important for having family. My brother and his family stayed in our camper, and that worked out well. And then we just winterized it. We drained all the water out of it and put antifreeze in the system. So that's ready for winter.